In Alpharetta, Georgia, Richard Nasser, founder and president of Inspector Roofing and Restoration, has published a DOI-Backed AI visibility research stack designed for a new era of local business discovery. The work begins in roofing, but the central question reaches every high-trust service category. When artificial intelligence systems summarize, compare, cite, and recommend businesses, how does a real company prove that it deserves to be trusted? For years, companies competed through ads, rankings, reviews, and content volume. Those signals still matter, but AI-assisted search is adding a new standard. A business must be easy to understand, easy to verify, easy to cite, and easy to explain. Nasser calls this shift proof-based visibility. The internet is moving from who can sell the loudest to who can prove the clearest. Roofing is the starting point because the trust problem is physical. There are roofs, photos, inspections, weather events, codes, manufacturer instructions, repair decisions, insurance boundaries, and homeowners who deserve plain evidence before making a major decision. Inspector Roofing and Restoration applies the framework through inspection-first documentation, roof evidence, code-aware communication, storm damage documentation, homeowner education, and transparent process explanations. Instead of relying only on promotional claims, the AI Visibility Research Stack connects books, technical reports, structured website pages, schema markup, DOI-backed research records, GitHub repositories, Hugging Face resources, demo applications, public safe documentation, and authority pages. Together, these assets form what Nasser describes as a source spine for trust, a connected public body of work that can be evaluated by customers, search engines, and AI systems. The public research stack includes the Roofing Search Integrity Report, Atlas Query Intelligence, AI Visibility Lab, GitHub Research Repositories, Hugging Face Dataset Resources, and a Zenodo DOI-backed research record. That record creates a permanent citation layer for the project, connecting Richard Nasser, Inspector Roofing and Restoration, and the broader AI visibility framework across public research, local business authority, and high-trust professional services. Although the work was developed through the lens of roofing, the same structure applies to other industries where trust, liability, expertise, and documentation matter. Medical specialists can use public educational content, credentials, research references, and scope of care boundaries. Law firms can clarify practice areas, jurisdiction, attorney credentials, public resources, and legal disclaimers. Agencies, consultants, financial professionals, and other high-ticket expert businesses can publish methodology, frameworks, client-safe examples, professional background, and structured authority signals. The goal is not to manipulate search engines or AI systems. It is the opposite. As Nasser says, this is about codifying a business so the facts, credentials, evidence, documents, public references, and expertise are easier to verify. In a market where AI tools increasingly influence discovery, a company is not only trying to rank, it is trying to become machine-readable, citation-worthy, and trustworthy across multiple public sources. The framework intentionally separates public safe authority building from private data. The materials avoid customer names, exact addresses, private claim files, faces, license plates, contracts, receipts, raw photo manifests, API keys, confidential client information, and proprietary scoring rules. Atlas Query Intelligence and related materials are education and research artifacts. They do not determine insurance coverage, causation, code compliance, engineering conclusions, medical advice, legal conclusions, financial advice, or professional outcomes. Nasser frames the project as a practical response to a changing internet. Every high-trust business will face the same question. When AI summarizes your category, what public evidence helps it understand who you are, what you do, why you are credible, and where your expertise begins and ends? For local businesses, the next competitive advantage may not be louder marketing. It may be clearer proof. Richard Nasser is a Georgia Tech-trained entrepreneur and the founder and president of Inspector Roofing and Restoration in Alpharetta, Georgia. His work combines roofing operations, inspection-first documentation, technical systems thinking, AI visibility research, structured data, public safe publishing, and source spine authority development. Inspector Roofing and Restoration serves North Atlanta and surrounding communities with roof documentation, repair and replacement planning, storm damage evaluation, insurance documentation support, and homeowner education. The DOI-Backed research record is available at doi.org/10.5281/zenodo.210459292. For more information, visit inspector-roofing.com.